नांदेड़ स्थित इंटरनेशनल स्कूल ऑफ बिजनेस एंड मीडिया यानी ISB&M के 2001 से 2003 शैक्षणिक वर्ष के पूर्व छात्रों का स्नेह सम्मेलन उत्साह के साथ आयोजित किया गया। करीब 25 साल बाद एक साथ आए पूर्व छात्रों ने कॉलेज के दिनों की यादें ताज़ा की और संस्थान के अपने व्यक्तित्व विकास, नेतृत्व क्षमता और प्रोफेशनल करियर में दिए योगदान को याद किया।
Their own, if they do very good in their own career, their own lives, that brings a big reputation to ISB, big reputation to ISB. I would want that they should benchmark with the best of the institutions in India and elsewhere in the world. I don't should get to that level. So that's one big expectation I have, and they do very good. They have done very, very well. You can talk about the best companies in the world. You will find ISB alumni in those companies in leadership roles. So that's one. Of course, they contribute in a variety of ways. Like campus placement is another thing which I'm sure the juniors would want from them. More than me, those guys would want that the internships and campus placement. Then we have made a big change in our program design, curriculum, where we are going to have in every course 8 to 10 hour workshop from industry for every course. So just 2 days back I was discussing with faculty, we are going to have 60 executives doing those 8 hours workshop, 10 hours workshop, and several of them would be alumni. I am sure 50 to 60% of it will be alumni who come in different domain, different industry. So that's another thing. So I mean, they do good job. They're very nice guys. Really, I really enjoy with them.
Because the way dynamics are changing in the market.
Correct.
And overall we have the experience. Surely Dr. Pramod Kumar have a vision. So how we can contribute our experience to that vision actually in making this institute more stronger?
I know somebody from a senior batch who is contributing financially also to the sports committee, sports teams, right? I think Pranab Jyoti Chetia and a couple of other people from Singapore, they put an amount together for the sports. So different people are doing different things from different batches. First batch, second batch, all of us trying to do something. There's a lot of love, respect for campus, there's a lot of love, respect for Dr. Pramod Kumar, a lot of love, respect for all of the other faculties like Professor Choksi, Professor Ramdasi and others who've taught us, right? But I think the name ISBM stands for something, and then we stand for that name, right? Every time we were in our own corporate jobs, we always remember that we represent the company that we're working for and the campus we came from, right? And we've got to bring value and earn respect, not just for us, but for the whole academic background that we've created for ourselves through the campus.
कार्यक्रम में ISB&M के संस्थापक अध्यक्ष डॉक्टर प्रमोद कुमार के साथ विभिन्न नामी कंपनियों में कार्यरत पूर्व छात्र और गणमान्य उपस्थित रहे। पूर्व छात्रों ने बताया कि संस्थान में पढ़ाई के दौरान सीमित संसाधनों में काम करना, समस्याओं का समाधान करना, टीम का नेतृत्व करना और जिम्मेदारी निभाना जैसे महत्वपूर्ण अनुभव उन्हें मिले।
At that point in time, we didn't join ISBN.
Yeah.
We joined PK. He was the brand at that point in time. So the brand that, and very right question. So now people join because there is a 25 years history. People know ISBM. There is a alumni. But at that time, I still remember my sister was in Symbiosis and Sir was director there. And it was that Sir has started a college. PK has started a college. Go and join. That is how it was. So we joined him.
We all of us joined because this is the college of Dr. Pramod Kumar.
Yes.
ISBN at that time was not known. It is now that has developed after 25 years with our batch and other batches. At that time, it was only because of Dr. Pramod Kumar who we have joined the college.
Today what you see is an institution actually, ISBM as an institute.
Yeah.
But way back 23 years, 25 years back, it was only Dr. Pramod Kumar.
It was just one-man army, I would say.
Yeah,
one-man army.
Apart from Mr. Choksi sir and because Choksi sir was also like brand in itself of the corporate world.
True.
And we have actually learned, though it was a new college, we have learned from best of the professors that time. We had best of the technology at that time, we just said.
Yeah.
So it was like nowhere less than any established college at that time. You name the technology, we were doing it. Harvard Business Review, Cambridge Business certification we did. So I think there was no compromise. It was actually बहुत बड़ी चीज़, no compromise at that.
2001-2003 के समय हार्वर्ड बिजनेस रिव्यू, कैम्ब्रिज, इसके लिए काफ़ी फीस लगती थी, इनके लाइसेंसेस बहुत महंगे थे, और वो सब कॉलेज में प्रोवाइड करना, so that the students are up to the mark with the technology and what's happening around.
वहीं वर्तमान विद्यार्थियों को केवल नौकरी पाने की बजाय रोजगार निर्माण की दिशा में सोचने की सलाह दी गई। बदलते दौर में अपने कौशल को मजबूत करने, मेहनत, आत्मविश्वास और उद्यमशीलता की सोच विकसित करने का आह्वान भी पूर्व छात्रों ने किया। इस दौरान संस्थान की आगे की विकास यात्रा में सक्रिय योगदान देने का संकल्प भी पूर्व छात्रों ने व्यक्त किया।
जैसे हम लोग स्टूडेंट्स थे 2001-2003 में, और काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स का इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज वीक था। इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज वीक था। अब इंटरव्यूज क्लियर करना है तो आपको इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज अच्छा होना पड़ेगा। तो डॉक्टर प्रमोद कुमार ने हम सब का इंग्लिश स्पोकन क्लास, सो दैट वी क्लियर द इंटरव्यूज, वी क्लियर द जीडी एंड ऑल दिस। सो जिन्होंने जो ग्रूम किया उन्होंने हमको, जहाँ जहाँ हमको ज़रूरत था एज ए रॉ स्टूडेंट, ही टुक केयर ऑफ एवरी पॉसिबल थिंग so that we survive in the corporate world and we flourish in the corporate world.
The most important thing, along with not fearing, is to persevere. Because whatever you want to do in life, you should be passionate about it, and there will be failures. In 25 years, all of us have seen a lot of ups and downs. It is only perseverance that will take you the longer route, and it will get you eventually to success. So it is very important not to lose hope when things are down, because everything, it's a journey where you go down and then you come up even stronger. So this institute has taught us that even from day one when it started. I can give you a bit of nugget saying when we joined, Dr. Pramod Kumar had an accident. So we were uncertain that the college was only known by Dr. Kumar, and he was very, very unwell at that point in time. Even then, our senior batch and all of us, we learned that we will still have to revive. Dr. Kumar joined after a few months, but within that time also, the moment he was able to come out of the hospital bed, he started coming to the campus. What we saw in him, in all of us as a batch, is that we were able to take our first hit on the chin, that it could have been a situation that the college might have shut down, but it revived and we moved up. That attitude is important, because as all these kids grow, they'll see ups and downs in life. We should be able to stand up again every time we fall, because that's what is very important as we move ahead.
प्लेसमेंट, अतिथि व्याख्यान, कार्यशालाओं और उद्योग आधारित उपक्रमों के माध्यम से वर्तमान विद्यार्थियों का मार्गदर्शन करने की भूमिका निभाने की बात कही गई। पूर्व छात्रों के अनुभवों से नई पीढ़ी को निश्चित रूप से प्रेरणा और सही दिशा मिलेगी, ऐसा विश्वास डॉक्टर प्रमोद कुमार ने व्यक्त किया।